Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is like a two-parter. First of all, it is Scraplift Sunday, where Laura and I use the same layout and give you two different takes. And so we are going to be doing the wonderful Christina Sales, and I will link her Pinterest pin and her Instagram. I found it on Pinterest because I am doing off the board with Pineapple Papers, where we try to take something that's on our Pinterest on our Pinterest boards and use it. So Laura was able to find this layout on Instagram, so I will link both of them. So just in case if you don't have Pinterest, you can go find it in either spot, or if you don't have Instagram, you can find it on Pinterest. However, I am also going to be using Shimmer's Paints, the July collection. I got to cover up August because it's not August, but July has French Twist, which is a very, 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 very orangey yellowish color that when it dries, it's like a French toast color. Truly a French toast color. I cannot wait to use it. It will match this collection. Super, super gorgeous. Blue Spruce, which is a green color. It's like a greenish color that I'm going to use. And these two are Inklings. And then the pistachio, I think I'm probably not going to use that one as of right now, but it's a lighter green color. And then the green Tide Monster Vibes, that is a new one. I know for sure I'm not going to use that one because I'll show you why. And then the tangerine, which I will be using that Tangerine Dream, which is also new. And that is the peachy color, because the way the layout is, and I'm going to link that up top like I always do, I am going to be using these, this picture, and I have to find my title. I know what I want to do for the title. I got to find it. But this is still off of the same collection. I was trying to use this on a different layout, and it didn't fit the theme as much as I wanted it to, so I still kept it. So this was already done before, so I'm going to use it as a circle because the layout is got a circle on it. I have done a ton of fussy cutting already. I took one of the papers and I fussy cut all of my embellishments of the florals, and then there was another one that had all of these little like embellishments that you could do something with it, or could have used the back, but I didn't want to. I wanted to do this. So I have done all that fussy cutting off camera, all of that fun stuff. I am going to be using the Shimmer's paints along with my modeling paste and all of that fun stuff, because there's also this one came in the kit. It's essential. It's a star. And then I am going to make this my lattice, which is going to be my background. So with all of that being said, I've talked a lot. Let's get this layout started. Okay, this Holy Catfish went a whole nother avenue. So I started out with backing the photo up on some foam tape because I wanted to be able to tuck some stuff underneath. So that I did first. And then I did do some tearing. As you can tell in the photograph, she tore that one paper and left it completely white on that one side. And so I am going to do the same. Now, basil is one of those things where if you get the 100 pounds, it works out really well. When you're adding modeling paste to Inklings or any of the Shimmer's products, it does change the color because it's a white base. So this one actually ended up being more of a dark teal color, which I love. It is perfect. So I took it where in 3 different sections, I did a lattice. I treated this like it's a lattice of flowers. So as it would dry, modeling paste actually dries pretty quickly. So I made sure that I placed it in the same spots so that it would line up correctly. And then I made it go out just a little bit on how I wanted it to look. So I really loved how this turned out. So that's the lattice part of it. And then I did take some water-based to some more Inklings and made it a splatter. You add water to it with a little bit of it, and you'll still get that nice shimmery effect without having it any like real problems. So Nouveau. Now, when I use glimmer paste, there's something that you have to realize about glimmer paste. if you add any extra water to this, it makes it very, very runny. So make sure that when you are using your inklings, your shimmers, or any of that sort to the Nuvo Glimmer Paste, make sure that you are just adding enough of the color in there, because otherwise it just it just makes it really runny. Now, I did use the French twist of the inklings on there, and because I used a paste on the bottom like that, that is why it's very light. But there is a gold tone to it, and I want to tell you that this set me off. Like, this whole goes to another whole direction. All of a sudden, you will see everything change. I had to turn the camera off. I had to walk away because I was about ready to lose my stuff on this. I just was not liking how this was turning out. It was driving me nuts. I didn't like it. So then all of a sudden, you'll see me stop and everything changes. And I'm just looking at it. I'm frustrated. I'm like, everything. I'm just frustrated. My summer is part of the cut files, or like the cut apart sheet, and they're changed. Look, oh my God, do I love it now. Like, I am like in love with this. I had to get rid of all the florals and start myself all over. And that is what I am doing here. So you're going to see me back up everything. So everything that I have right here is all of the cut apart sheet from Shimmers. And then the title, the summer, is part of the cut apart sheet, but Snapshot is from Color Cast Designs. And that yellow matches really well, and I do not mind that some of the orange is peeking out on Snap, and then the shot has part of the green lattice. I just love everything about that part. So I'm placing now everything down. Make sure that you go check out everybody that is in the playlist for Off the Board. Make sure that you go check out Laura and see her take on this layout as well. Plus, if you use my name in the comments for Shimmers paints on the July collection or any of their collections, including the color, you can get a freebie, and it's always something new. I love when they give out those freebies. So make sure that you put my name in the comment section, and it's right before you check out. So all of this fun stuff is going on, and I really, really love how this turned out. I do the little paw prints going into the cabin, and the photo is of me reading, believe it or not, this one was Harry and Meg's book is what I was reading last summer. I was trying to finish that one up when I went on this trip. And Kaylin's actually reading, and I've got some photos of her as well. And so that is what I have one layout too that's going to be a complimentary page to this. So I am just placing everything down. I really enjoy how this looks. Like, I feel like how it's turning out is the way I wanted it. Because let me tell you, in the beginning, I was like, Lord Jesus, I don't know if this is even right, wrong, or the other at this point. But I love the process. So sometimes you just got to step away, go back, and then go from there. I do some splatters with the vibes there as well, and then you'll see me spill it, and then I'm done because I was like, oh my God. So, but here are the still shots. I hope that you guys all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.